All right.
Barely.
I'll take that with me just in case.
Yeah.
All right.
We just, okay. I'm going to add it to it.
Sure.
This rope is so stiff, it's really hard to tie a knot.
It almost looks like
If you tie a square knot, it just wants to come out because it's so stiff.
it's too stiff.
You know, trying to see if I can.
Get a bow line in it.
Yeah.
Bow line, whatever you call it. Got it?
I don't think that's it. It's just so stinking stiff, it's hard to.
It almost looks like a throw rope, like you do with a rodeo.
Yeah. This is the knots that you use, and this is the rope you use in fire school. You can never be caught without your rope. You know, when you're in fire school in the academy, you know, every time an officer comes up against the wall, you know, and gets there, you know, you're like, and then you've got your rope with you. If you go to the bathroom or something, you get caught, you don't have that rope. Because what they do is they come along and you're walking past and say, "Cadet, tie me a half-inch bowline with a safety." You know,
Really?
you gotta stop right there and tie it. They're just quizzing you all the time on what you're not. You know, blah blah blah. You know.
Huh. Well, I guess that's a good way to teach you how to tie knots, right?
You want to drop your hammer down here and pay attention to jump up out of your holster with hands on my head.
Yes.
Throw it over on the deck.
Oh, come on.
Almost had it.
Almost. This thing is wet. Here. This one's closer. All right. Now the fun part, right?
The ladder's on the other side.
Whew. I don't know if it's gonna.
Too high.
I could put it here. Let me see.
Like like about a foot. So we're 4 inches too high.
Would you believe that that says that it is 15 3/4 inches?
That's crazy. Is where you got it setting, is that the same height it's going to be when you put it on these pins?
It'd probably be a 1/2 inch higher on the pins.
So it's 1 inch off.
Probably.
We'll tell Dave.
Okay.
At this point, I am standing on the scaffolding, trying to determine whether we can use the scaffolding sections to help support the weight of the glulam beams that we are going to install. Each beam is about 150 pounds, and it would help to have something to hold it in place while we are installing them. Unfortunately, that's just not going to work, and we're going to have to do it the hard way.
How are we going to get the lamb beam up here?
We're going to take those right there. I'm going to shove them down the scaffold.
Those two right there are going to come up through here.
These two.
Okay.
They shoot right up there.
Okay.
What's the pole made of? Is that a bunch of two materials laminated together?
What's that?
What is the pole color?
Oh, it's 2 by 8.
2 by 8, just a bunch of them?
Yes, put together. Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Let that one back down, John.
Is everybody out from underneath it? Okay.
Called them and left them confused. They never have called me back. Hey, I called them twice about these scaffolding. They never have called me back. Of course, when they open back up, they may add 200 messages.
Yeah, that's true. Dwayne told me to get to 28.
In this picture, we're setting the ridge beam support brace. In the following time lapse, we're setting the dual ridge beam. What a beautiful view.